Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today we are going to unbox the A330-300 of Edelweiss Airlines. And this model is actually quite special to me because it's actually the first model I flew on. That's pretty cool. I flew with this same exact airplane and also registration from Zurich to Las Vegas and also from Las Vegas back to Zurich. So this is why I wanted to get it. I was sitting at the opposite side, somewhere here at the very back, so with both flights. The box is not too special. It's in the Edelweiss colors, let's say it like that. Edelweiss uses a lot of red and blue also aboard. They have blue seats and everything, and yeah, sadly no pics of an Edelweiss or so, but or some Swiss mountains or so, but oh well, I don't care too much. Let's open the box and I hope I won't break the box. Okay, this is always a bit tricky, I have to admit, to open the Phoenix boxes because I really don't want to break them. And here we have the model, guys. As far as some of my OG subscribers may know, that I already have an A330 with Edelweiss. That's correct, yes. The thing is, I have it in the old livery and this one is now with the new livery, so yeah. By the way, when I flew with this airplane, I also had the new livery. There we go. Yeah, the model looks quite good actually. I think the color is pretty accurate. Also the blue is accurate. Yeah, it looks really good actually, I have to say. It's a cool model. Yeah, I think let's go straight to the zoom part and check the model out in more detail. Okay, first of all we have the Edelweiss cockpit in red, or the nose is red, so that's something special about this airline. Actually, I don't know many airlines that just have a very small part of the front in a different color than the rest. So when you see a plane with like a red nose, let's say like that, it's basically always an Edelweiss. I don't know any other airlines that have like this red head, let's say like that. So this is pretty cool. We have some antennas here. No Wi-Fi box because Edelweiss doesn't offer any in-flight Wi-Fi. Maybe they will upgrade their existing fleet of A340s and A330s at some points, who knows. Personally, I don't know. Yeah, Edelweiss, Switzerland, Rolls-Royce engines, nothing special. And the registration HB-JHR. I think it's one of 3 A330s they have, or something like that. They don't have many A330s and A340s. Yeah, their long haul fleet is pretty small because it's a leisure airline, so most people use it to go on holidays, and so yeah, that's why they don't really have that much or that many airplanes. They have a lot of A320s, around 20 or 30, but yeah. Next up we have the beautiful winglet with the Edelweiss there as well, which is also outside from the front. I guess the model is nice, especially if you want to have like, how should I say? I think it's special, yeah. I think you can say this model is quite special with the livery and everything. Yeah, by the way, I forgot to actually mention about the tail. Tail, of course, has the Edelweiss, of course, as well. Otherwise, it's not really special. It's just the Edelweiss font is really large and bold. That's something, actually, I think it fits to the airplane. I don't know. Maybe in your opinion it doesn't, but I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, engines are standard Rolls-Royce, as you have seen on my channel many times before. And the winglet is also outside. It's really identical to this one. Just, yeah, there we go. Or we had it for a second. Yeah, you can imagine it. Yeah, there we go. You can see the Edelweiss here. Let's check out the bottom. I guess it's not too special. Yes, they have nothing really here, just plain white, and the gear, where the gear is retracted, is drawn here. That's actually pretty nice. That's the first I think I've seen. I'm not sure if other models of Phoenix have that too. HP-JHR. Review about this model. I think if you have no Edelweiss whatsoever, I think it's a great airplane to have in your collection. Personally, it has a special relationship to me, that's why I got it. I also want to get the A340, then I have two A330s of Edelweiss and the A340 if I can manage to get this model in the near future. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, this was the last model sadly of all my unboxing series. If you're interested, I will do another collection update and also maybe a Q&A and also a top 5 and top worst 5 models I have or had, let's say it like that, because some models I also have sold again. So yeah, let me know in the comments, leave a comment. So if you want to have a Q&A and of course a update of my collection, also my top 5 models and my worst 5 models, let's say it like that. Thanks everyone who has stayed with me this long. I have to say this as well. The lack of videos was really immense, let's say it like that. But I think those 5 videos were pretty good. And yeah, if you're more interested about my situation, how I stand towards airplane models and so on, just leave me a comment and say you really want to have a Q&A, and then I'll upload a Q&A video for you and I'll answer all of your questions. This is it, your Phoenix models reviews. We'll see us soon again. Bye.